I'm Stan Mander and I'm out here. It's day 2 of the conference at Oak Ridge National Labs. Today I'm learning about HTRs, which is high temperature fluoride salt reactors. And how this technology works is they use solid fuel particles. It looks like that. They're about millimeter across or so, and they're aggregated into something they call pebbles. And the pebbles are floating around in the melted salt. And what that does is it basically warms up your reactor. So this is the fuel source, and this fuel is set into cross sections like this. And the graphite acts like a moderator, and what that means is it slows the neutrons down. Slow neutrons have a higher likelihood of crashing into other uraniums, making more heat, making more fission. And the beauty with this setup is instead of using water like a light water reactor, it uses melted salt, which can get all the way up to 700 degrees C or more. And it does not have to run on high pressure. So just like the molten salt reactor, this kind of reactor is using the wonderful ability of salt to absorb the extra heat. So I'm Stan Mander and I'm out here on day 2 of the conference here at Oak Ridge, learning about this kind of reactor, which is HTR. Yeah, cool.